Morning, everybody. Sorry for the delay. Took me a little bit longer to get some of Tim's information than I thought it was going to take me, so I'll make sure that doesn't happen again tomorrow, okay? As of right now, sales are at $1,063,746. We have 14 days left, 64% of the month left, and we're at 38% of our budget. So we're just a little bit ahead, okay? So looks like we're doing pretty good. Things that we got going on for the small side, but I'll make sure Jose should have given you a schedule for Press 60. We want to make sure we follow that. For the tool room guys, there'll be a couple of changeovers that need to be done on the lot load tools. I think both of them at some point in the next 2 days got to get changed over, just so you guys are aware of that. Jason and Ken, I need you guys to take care of sampling the K55 out of the 2 lots of material that we were supposed to get from the south plant. Julie, are they receiving? All right. Can you just give them the lot numbers? Email those 2 guys so they got it. And then as soon as we get those, we'll have Vlad measure those to see if we get any difference out of those lot numbers, okay? Also, Fidel 68, or Press 54 needs to go to SYS 82. That's got to be the number one thing that you work on. Press 54 needs to go to SYS 82. SYS 82, okay? And then 68 needs to go to ITWFS-14, okay? I'll print out the list for you, okay? Jimmy on the big side, 33, Jimmy, all right, 36, we need to break in and get Clack 2 in there, okay? Tomorrow, we should have got another lot of the polypropylene for Clack. We need to sample it in the V3100 tool and Press 4, and we need to sample it in that one, okay? He needs around 24 samples of each, okay? So you guys know we can get that going. 34, Jimmy needs to go to ITWFS 9. 13, we broke the lifter on that again, or I'm assuming the screw. At least I'm hoping it's the screw. So Jimmy, did you get that out yet? Press 13. Alright, they're going to get that out and bring it over to the tool room, okay? That'll be out. Press 10 needs to go to RS19. 32, we need to get to the dash 100s, Jimmy. And press 3, we need to get the fill 30. Mark was supposed to do pictures today, but I'm assuming he forgot, and I forgot to go check with him because he's the first day on InSyncGrader. So we'll move him, but Dennis has pictures tomorrow, okay? So you need to prepare for that. There wasn't any suggestions, but there's a bunch of Kaizen events that have dates for this week, so we want to make sure we get those. I have events just particularly for me on Tuesday and Wednesday, and I know that you guys have an event on Friday, so make sure everybody goes through the event to see if anything you were signed up for, okay? Again, Brentco is going to be here on 8-4 and 8-5 to do an audit, so we got to make sure that we're good. InSyncGrader is going to be here what time tomorrow? 9:30 to discuss new tooling and some of the issues we've had. All the issues we've been having, okay? So make sure that we got everything over there cleaned up and looks good, okay? And don't forget, Tim wants everybody to clean 1 press per day off their list, okay? So make sure we're cleaning at least 1 press per day of the presses that you're responsible for, okay? Got a couple of readings here by Tim.